Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the TikTok's green screen effect. So in order to basically get that TikTok green screen effect and how you can use it, then that is basically what I'm going to show you in this video. So in order to basically use that effect, what you simply need to do is open TikTok, then click on this plus icon right here. Once we've done that, select it the time you want to basically make a video for, so either 15 seconds, 60 or 10 minutes. Once you've done that, click on effects right here. Basically, once you've done that, what we're going to do is head over to tool right here. Once we're right here, you will immediately find the green screen effect. Is going to be the first and the second one. You either have just a normal green screen where you basically have yourself with in the background a green screen, and you have the second one is in green screen, but this green screen is made for videos. So yeah, you can just select whichever one you want to use. I would recommend the first one because that's the most used one. It's basically just for photos. And basically, once you've done that, you can basically have yourself just like I have right here. What you then need to do is simply select a photo by clicking on that plus icon, and you can select any photo from your gallery. So let's say that I want to select my logo. I just click on that. And now I can start recording with basically that green screen in the background. So that's what I'm going to do right now. We can currently see that I just made a quick video. Once you've done that, click on that plus icon, and then you can automatically just post this, and it will automatically also say here green screen. Just click on post, and basically that's all you have to do in order to use that green screen over on TikTok. When you now basically go to that video, you will also notice that it will say this green screen effect, and yeah, you can basically see that green screen effect. That's all we need to do basically. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.